Hey everybody, Night/Year. Ratchet. Rescue Ratchet. It's basically a repaint. Yep, that's pretty much it. He has the G1 colors. Nothing else really has changed, you know, on this figure except for the colors. Still an H2 ambulance. If you have the original one, you know that one was kind of a, what was that, like a neon yellow. Didn't really like that color. I like this color better. As I've said before, I'm more of a G1 guy, and when they look more like the originals, makes a better figure. So let's just get a little overview here. There you go. Yep, and there's his vehicle form. So yeah, picked him up and Thundercracker. Thundercracker's just a repaint of Starscream. So I'm not going to review Thundercracker. No, I see no point, because I already did the G1 repaint of Starscream, and that's pretty much what this figure is. It's besides the fact that it's blue. So alright, let's get to Ratchet's transformation. Take off his little claw weapon here, just like that. Take that off, go underneath, pull his arms out, just like that. Fold the panels over up against the doors. Bring his legs down, just like that. Fold his feet down, and his automorph goes into place, which is by far the worst automorph on any figure. It is so bogus. That's it. Whoop-de-frickin-do. Anyway, just put his feet down like that. Rotate his legs. And then you turn them around just like that. Bottom part's done. Take the windshield and spread it apart to the back. Put it up like that. And fold it down. Just like that. Bring his arms around, get him into place. And pop up that panel to reveal his head. There you go. There is Rescue Ratchet. Not Autobot Ratchet, but Rescue Ratchet. Here's his gun. Well, not his gun, but his claw. I don't think this really counts as a gun, can it? I don't think so. It is actually called it is actually called a forearm cannon. That is not a forearm cannon. That's not a forearm cannon. This is like a claw. Yeah. Anyway. Or a grabby thingy. Okay, let's show his other weapon here. It's a hidden axe. Now my other Ratchet figure, the original one with the yellow paint, the axe would fall off easy. It was so loose it wouldn't even stay in a place like this does. It just falls down and pops off really easily. This one's much better. It stays into place, and it doesn't, you know, move up and down or whatever. So, but his weapons are still crappy anyway. But anyway, he should have come with like some medical kit or something, you know. He's a medical officer anyway, so duh, Hasbro. Big goof on your part. Let's get to the color scheme. He's gray, black, white, red. He's, yep, G1 colors. So far, this line has had better repaints than others. Probably because they're going back to, you know, their G1 repaints or whatever, but one thing I don't understand, we all know, I don't know if anybody else saw this, the pictures of Ironhide, he's blue. I mean, everybody else is going back to, you know, G1 repaint. Starscream had his, Jazz had his, Ratchet has his, but Ironhide is a blue truck for his repaint, not a red one. It doesn't make any sense to me. It's stupid. Anyway, it's a good figure. It's my little review, short review. He's a must-have. Go get him. Not much to say, but y'all have a good day now. Bye-bye.